Oh, the things you can think. Oh, the things you can think. If you're willing to try. Think invisible ink or a
One in the family.
Welcome back. We're talking with the cast of Seussical the Musical. Good morning. Good morning. And Carlos has now joined the cast.
I'm the odd one. I'm the odd who.
All right, so let's talk about this show. For people that don't understand what Seussical the Musical is all about, explain it to the people at home.
Well, Seussical is a story with a bunch of different characters. You have the cat who takes Jojo on an adventure through the jungle of Newell, and you have Gertrude who has a crush on Horton and spends the show trying to get his attention. And it's just an amazing show full of fun colors and amazing dances and fun songs.
And when do you get to play the cat?
I get to play the cat. It is a dream come true for me to play the cat. 8 years ago, I was watching this show, and I had my little baby girl on my lap, and I said, someday, I'm going to be in that show. I heard that song, Oh, the Things You Can Think, and anything's possible, and I thought, you know, I haven't done a show in a really long time, but someday I'm going to be in that, and now I'm in it with my 8-year-old daughter, and my dreams are coming true.
Is your daughter here today, or
She's
no?
not here today.
She's
She's at school, but I know that this show has power in it
that
can inspire our dreams, and that's why I love Dr. Seuss.
Okay, Ryan, you get to play Horton, and tell me about the show. When can people see it? Where is it?
The show's at the California Center for the Arts in Escondido, March 24th to the 27th. And everyone can see it. So, I mean, it's just a fun show.
It's a fun show. Lots of music, lots of beautiful colored costumes, and all that great
stuff. He's a great character to play, so.
All right, fantastic. And I understand each of you have a fun Dr. Seuss fact, correct?
Okay,
Carlos,
let's go down the line here. Give me your name and give me your fun fact.
Hi, I'm Jillian. I'll be playing Mrs. Mayor, and I have this fun fact saying Dr. Seuss said that the character of the Grinch was based on himself.
That's awesome.
I thought that was interesting.
That is very interesting. Your name?
I'm Chris. I'm playing Mr. Mayor, and Dr. Seuss has written and illustrated 44 children's books.
That's incredible. Have you read them all?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, way to go.
Nice.
That's it. Your name?
Hi, my name is Lainey, and I'm playing JoJo, and Dr. Seuss wrote Green Eggs and Ham off of a dare that he couldn't write a book with less than 50 words in it.
Fantastic.
Oh, wow. That's really interesting.
Hi, I'm Jillian. I will be playing Maisie, and did you know Dr. Seuss was not a doctor, but his father had wanted him to practice medicine?
So we just made up the doctor thing?
Probably.
So Dr. Carlos, right here.
See how that works?
That works. All right, your name?
Hi, I'm Nicola. I'll be playing a bird girl, and Dr. Seuss animated short films for the U.S. Army during World War II.
Is that right?
That
Wow,
interesting.
Very talented. Some facts we didn't know about Dr. Seuss.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm also playing a bird girl, and Dr. Seuss was 33 years old when he wrote his first ever book.
So it's never too late to start.
Yes.
So when I turn 33, I'll start writing books.
Hi, I'm Lillian, and Dr. Seuss was the first to use the word nerd in his book, If I Ran the Zoo.
That is the most interesting fact. He
coolest
created the word nerd.
Amazing.
Which, of course, describes perfectly my partner.
Yes, always. So tell me about this show. How fun is it for you guys to dress up? I saw these feathers all over our newsroom today. How much fun is it to play these wild characters?
This is the funnest show ever.
It's great for kids.
It's great for kids, and yet it's great for adults. There's so many powerful life's messages. Every time I watch it, every time I read a Dr. Seuss book, I get more and more insights into life. And that's what this is all about. That's why we're celebrating Dr. Seuss's birthday today. And that's why we want to bring this magic to you.
Well, I would read the books, the Dr. Seuss books, and I'd start to laugh, and my kids go, "Why are you laughing?"
Yeah.
Because some of the jokes are really not made for the kids, they're made for the grown-ups who are reading the books.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
Okay, so you all are going to perform for us, right? Is that the plan?
Yeah.
Yes, I guess. Yes, that is the plan, whether they know it or not. We're going to take a little break, and we're going to be right back with more performance from Seussical the Musical.
A person on that, why there never has been. You're the biggest blame fool in the jungle of Newell, and I don't care who I tell. Biggest blame fool in the jungle of Newell, and I think so as well. Maybe I'm nasty, maybe I'm cruel, but you're the biggest blame fool in the jungle of Newell.